Hello everyone. Today I will compare the special features of two popular communication apps, Line and WhatsApp. Both apps are designed to help people stay connected, but they have some unique features that make people different. First, Line is very popular in some countries like Japan, Thailand, and Taiwan. One of Line most special feature is sticker and theme. User can send fan sticker and even buy new design to make chatting more exciting. Line also offer Thailand, which was like a social media feed where you can post picture, update and comment. Another feature is Line Pay, a built-in payment system that lets users send money or pay for items directly in the app. On the other hand, WhatsApp is more widely used around the world. Its strongest feature is end-to-end encryption, which keeps message very secure. WhatsApp also allows voice and video call, group chat, and easy sharing of document or location. It doesn't have sticker as fancy as Line, but it's well known for its simple interface and reliability, even with weak internet connection. In summary, Line is perfect for people who enjoy colorful design, sticker, and extra service like payment. WhatsApp is great for users who want strong security and clean, easy to use chat experience. Both apps are free, so you can choose the one that fits to you. Thank you for listening.